Hey everyone, it's Miss Sublet again. So I'm back because I wanted to give you a little tutorial on my website, what you can find on it, and how to use it. So when you go click on the link, it is a Google website. So all you have to do is click on the link that I provide, and this is what will pop up: our Houstonville Elementary School counseling page. So if you scroll down a little bit, um, you will see some of our upcoming things happening. So this is a video that I've already shared on Facebook. It is a little about me and what does a school counselor do um, in your school. And then over here, you will see my calendar. So as you can see right here, on Monday, which is today, is our first zones of regulation lesson. You'll be able to click on this YouTube link and it will take you right to my YouTube page and you'll be able to find the lesson. And that is it for the homepage. So we'll go scroll back up a little bit and we'll go to faculty and staff. Now this is going to be mainly for faculty and staff only, but there is something on here that the general public probably needs to know about. So if you scroll down, there's two different ways to make a referral. Now for faculty and staff, on the right hand side is a way for them to make a referral about a student in our school. Now nobody else besides faculty and staff will be able to open this link. But if you have an emergency situation, or if you think that a child is being abused, there is a way that our general public can make a referral to DCBS. It's on the left hand side. You will click on this and you'll have a couple different options to make a report to Child Protective Services or Adult Protective Services. There could be an adult that's being abused as well. If you click on this, you can do a web report, which is kind of what I like to do just because sometimes you have a lot of details, and when you're on the phone with somebody making a report, it's hard to remember all those details. So sometimes I just like to make a web report, and that way I have time to think it out and put everything that needs to go in there. But, this is for the general population. This is for teachers, for administrators, it's for me if I need to make a report. But, as Kentuckians, we all have a duty. We all have a duty to make reports and to protect our children. So this is one way that we can do that. So let's go back up to the top and click on Guidance Curriculum. Now, this is where you will find all of my curriculum for the rest of the year. If you look on the left-hand side, this is the curriculum that we as a district decided to use. It's called Zones of Regulation. As you can see, we have our first one up here. It is for today. Miss Caitlin Johnson from Highland. This is actually her lesson. All of the elementary counselors will be doing different lessons on Zoom on zones of regulation. She's doing the first one, but please, just because you don't see my face doesn't mean that you don't have to do that lesson or watch that lesson. We try to keep the video short to keep the kids' attention as best possible. But my first lesson will be lesson number 3, and I already have that one up there. And then if you look on the right-hand side over here, you'll see other guidance curriculum. I have my one that I posted on Facebook already up, and then I have got the bullying lessons finished. And then you can come down. I have some for drug and alcohol finished already. And then I have done some for preschool down here at the bottom. Again, I try to keep the videos short. They're not hard. Kids don't have homework over them. They're just a fun video for them to learn some guidance. And then lastly, counseling resources over here at the top. We'll click on that. And this is just a page of resources for parents. This is a link that you can click on and it will open. If you can't see it, you can just click on it and make it bigger. But this is these are just a list of different counseling agencies in our community. Also some hospitals for more severe cases. And then I've also added in here New View, which is our school-based counseling agency. It was Healthy Kids last year, and now it's called New View. And it'll show you how to make a referral for your child on there. And then over here on the left-hand side is just my personal information. I have my Google number on here, my email, I have my website. You can click this to open it and make it bigger. My YouTube page, and then just some of the services that I'm going to offer our kiddos this year. But that is pretty much it. I appreciate you all watching the video. If you have any questions or need to make a referral or want to get some school counseling help for your kiddos, you can call or email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But I appreciate you all watching my video. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day, guys.